Hey guys, hello, welcome. I am in the office and I want to introduce you to the services we offer. I do computer training. We train computer packages here at Nandi Digital Center. And this December, we're enrolling new students who are interested to study computer packages. We do basic computer packages and advanced computer packages. From 2025, from 2025 January, we are going to offer online classes. Basic packages are Microsoft Office applications and additional few others for Adobe PageMaker, Internet and Email, keyboarding and typesetting, and the MS Office suite. Apart from that, we also do advanced packages. The advanced packages are like web development, graphic design, video editing and writing, or digital marketing. Welcome.